guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a get ready with me featuring Tinashe Hair. I honestly love this look. I love Tinashe Hair. I think it is an amazing brand. They sent me a 4x4 closure wig, 18-inch, and I'm going to show you guys in the next clip what it actually looked like when it's in its water wave state. So yes, it is a water wave wig, and we are going to turn it into this. So stay tuned, definitely subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for being here, and let's get right into it. Tinashe Hair, y'all, has been raving all over the internet, and I thought, okay, let me give it a try. So today I'm gonna unbox for you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when you first get the hair, from the moment you get it to the moment you put it on. The one thing I want you guys to understand about my reviews with hair is I'm always going to give you guys the real. Like, I'm not here to play games. So if you really want to know what this hair is like, stay tuned. Okay, so this is how the hair comes. It comes really cute into the Tinashe box. Inside the box, I had two things. I had a bag full of goodies, and I also have my hair. They sent me a 5x5 lace front closure wig, and it's 18-inch water wave. So it looks just like this. A brown bonnet. I love brown, so this is perfect. They gave me a cap.
You guys, I am playing this back and noticing my lashes are hanging on by a thread. Please excuse me.
It has their Instagram, their Facebook. Follow them to get coupons, their email, their WhatsApp. And then on the inside is pretty much hair care instructions. You can't go wrong with that. So this is my first time actually opening this. The density on this as well is 150%. So it's stuff. It does come with a smell. We have a little smell, but it's nothing too bad. Nothing shampoo and conditioner. Honestly, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I don't know why people complain about smells, because let's be real, we're gonna wash it anyways, and I would hope you not plopping this right on your head from the factories.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
So I always would recommend washing your hair, but this is what the curl looks like before I even do anything to it. As you guys see, you guys get into this curl. So that's exactly what it looks like. Let's get into it. Let's bleach these knots. I'm gonna show you guys how they look once they're bleached, and then I will put it on and style it for you guys. Okay guys, so let's get into this wig. So this wig is from Tinashe. This is an 18-inch water wave wig. I did not do much to this wig. I pretty much just bleached the knots, laid it down with my Gorilla Knots, not glue. Also, I put some Edge Factor. I love this. It's called, said Edge Factor, it's called Edge Booster. So I did use this to lay my baby hairs. And then I also used the Got To Be Glued Insta Hold to get some extra hold. I did not use any adhesive, and my wigs normally lay down. And the reason why I didn't use any adhesive, even though I do have adhesive, because I switch my wigs a lot. So sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This particular day, I did not. So I don't have any adhesive here. But I am going to show you guys how I pretty much get my wig from the curly state to wanded and much fuller. So I'm gonna show you guys how I pretty much take this from here to this. So let's get right into it.
So first, I'm just going to go in with my brush and just detangle a little bit because it was still in its water state. And then I applied some heat protector. I like to use Silk Elements because I just feel like it works pretty well for these type of hairstyles. But I have like a various selection of heat protectors. And then I'm going in with my wand. You guys, I know you guys are probably going to ask me where I got this wand. It is super damn old. Like, it's damn near falling apart. I definitely need to get another wand. But right here, I'm just going in, and I mean, to be honest, I'm not being very detailed because I'm going for more of a wild look. I don't want the hair to look tamed necessarily, so I am unevenly going in and adding patches of curls. Okay. And I do this because I don't want it to be so defined that it looks thin, if that makes any sense. I kind of want it to still have its volume. So just going in and applying some wanded curls, and as you see how they look before I comb them out. Also, to add, when I detangled, I did not fully detangle my hair. all the way. I did want to keep it a little bit more fluffy in the back. So you will see the ending look just to see how this comes out. So I wanted to add about this hair that I have been wearing this hair literally for about 2 weeks now before I decided to apply heat. I did like it in its curly states. I don't really wear a lot of like water wave textures, but for me, I feel like the curl was very loose, like kind of like a loose wave. I am used to wearing more tighter curls just to fit like kind of my curl pattern, but overall I would definitely rate this hair a 10, just being on that it was very soft out of the bag, like so rare to get good hair straight out the bag. It came packaged very, very well in a beautiful silk bag inside of a box, and they had some fun and accessories to actually come with the hair. So I would say out of 1 out of a 10, I would definitely give it a 10. And also, I think where I give it the most credit is definitely the lace. I mean, this is a 5x5 closure, and literally look at that lace. Like I feel like it gives me 13x6 vibes. It's definitely a bomb lace and it blends very, very well. So I'm also not even sure if this is a HD lace. I definitely have to check, but I will tell you guys it definitely behaves like one. The knots bleached very easy for me. I normally keep mine on for about 45 minutes. To most people that's probably a long time, but I really like my knots bleached like super see-through. But yeah, overall I definitely say that it was 100% with just quality, and it definitely took well to heat. So that was another thing that I was looking into. I don't like to apply much makeup to my lace because I don't really wear adhesive, but I think overall this hair curls very, very well. As you see too, I feel like the heat makes it look a lot thicker than it did when it was wet. Ooh, how do you guys like this? So this is kind of like the finished look. I went in and just fluffed it out a tad bit more. And just now I'm going to actually, just to get that wild look, I'm going to add a little hump at the top with my bobby pin, of course, just to give it that more fun and spicy look to go with our look today. And I definitely feel like what looks like this, you definitely have to go in and adjust, readjust, and adjust. So that is basically what I'm doing, just to make sure that I kind of get the right flow. And then I think I definitely should add a little bit more curls to the side, just because I feel like they kind of, fell out. I don't think I added any hairspray to this look because I know I was going to probably wash it out the next day. But this is the ending look.
So this is the finished look, you guys, and I'm actually in love with the way that this has turned out. The reason why I really love to turn curly hair into like wanded hair or like something with a hot tool is because I feel like it gives you that more fuller look. Mind you guys, this wig is a 4x4 closure and it's 150 density. By how full this looks, you would think that it's like 180. Why? Because it's curly hair. It's much bigger when it's not wet. And I like it personally a little bit more once I style it. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look so much as I did. And if you guys would like to see more looks like this, definitely subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you put on that bell notification. So yes, get into it, sis.